This AI voice assistant works entirely in your browser. No need to create an app. Watch me give it a command to add a task in Google Calendar. Hi, I want you to add a task that on 12th of August we'll go for buying groceries.
The task go for buying groceries has been added with a due date of August 12th. Anything else you'd like to add or do?
Now let's check. Let me go to the calendar. Yes, you can see here on 12th of August, it shows go for buying groceries. So you saw, in just with a simple command, it was able to create an event in my calendar. It can do more than this. If you haven't seen the full demo, watch my other video where I show the full demo of it. In this video, I'll show you how I created this. So this is the thing that is going on in the background. This is the front end, the application that is there in the browser, and this is the whole workflow that is made using n8n. So in order to create this web application that works on any browser, you can use ChatGPT to get the code. So open ChatGPT. Now in ChatGPT, you give it a simple prompt like, I want you to create a simple web page for capturing voice that I can access from the internet. This will replace my reliance on third-party tools like Telegram or WhatsApp for audio input. I'm building a voice AI assistant that will follow my voice commands and do tasks on my behalf, like sending emails, booking calendars, reminders, writing documents, etc., all through voice commands. This last part of the prompt asks questions from me for better understanding. I always add this at the end because if there is any doubt, that gets cleared by ChatGPT or any model that you're using. So once you give it a prompt like this, it will ask you multiple questions, answer them, and you will get the code. You copy the code, go to VS Code or Notepad, paste it here, save it, and then we head on to Netlify. Go to Google, search Netlify, and this first link, netlify.com, open it. Sign up if you don't have an account. I already have it, so I'll log in. Once we are logged in, click on Add New Project, Deploy Manually. Now, click on this Browse to Upload, or you can also drag and drop your file here. So I'll choose Browse to Upload, and I'll go to the folder where I saved my HTML file. And then we need to select that folder. Here, we'll just need to click on Upload. It'll ask you, finally again, click on Upload. Once it's uploaded, you will see this name given to your web application. Using this link here in green color, you will be able to access your web application online from anywhere. So if you click here, it'll open and your voice assistant will start, ready to be connected to your n8n using a webhook here. You need to add an admin and user password, which is there present in this code. You can search for it, click on Ctrl F, search for password. Once you search for the password, you will find this component where it shows config is equal to valid username and the valid password. This is the ID and the password that you will use to log into your web application. So now that you have the application running, log in and check. You need to have the webhook URL. So now to create the webhook URL, we'll head on to n8n. Now that your application is live and online on the internet, you need to enter the webhook URL that you will receive in n8n. So for this, search the nodes, check for webhook, select it. In the production URL, copy this URL and paste it here. Auto select voice, enter your username and password, and you are ready to go. Now that you have set up the webhook, then the next node that I have added is edit fields. This edit field node helps you to give a specific name to the data that we will receive from this web application, which is I have renamed as text. This data will be fed to the AI agent node. Here we have given a system message or a prompt for AI to understand. You'll have to add a chat model. So in our case, we'll add OpenAI chat model. In OpenAI chat model, you will choose ChatGPT-5. But before that, you need to add your credentials. If you want to know how to connect your OpenAI account with n8n OpenAI chat model, you can watch my other video where I have shown this in detail. Once you set up your OpenAI account and connect it to the OpenAI chat model inside n8n, you will get this list of all the various models that you can choose. Choose GPT-5, the latest model, and the brain of our AI agent is ready. Once you set up this web application and the framework of this AI voice assistant, you can plug it into any application that you want and control that application with your voice commands. You can choose Slack, you can use Airtable, any CRM out there, or even ERP applications. This voice assistant works amazingly well with any tool out there. To make everything easy for you, I have given the JSON file that you can download and simply import into your n8n for this ready-made AI voice assistant workflow. I will also provide the code for this simple voice assistant that you can simply download the file or copy it, the code, and create your own file, upload it to Netlify, and have your own voice assistant ready within few minutes. If you want more ready to use AI tools, then hit subscribe.